Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song All of Me by John Legend. Now of course this song is originally on the piano, but I'm going to teach you a version on the guitar that's nice and simple to play. So right now I'm going to play it for you first, and then afterwards I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started with the song.
Without your smart mouth, drawing me in and you're kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my ends and my beginning, even when I lose and win. 'Cause I give you all of me. You give me all of you. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down, I am around through every move. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my ends and my beginning, even when I lose and win. 'Cause I give you all of me. You give me all of you. The cards on the table, we're both showing hearts, risking it all, though it's hard. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my ends and my beginning, even when I lose and win. 'Cause I give you all of me. You give me all
All right, so we're going to be using 5 chords from the C chord family for this song. And we're going to be playing with our capo on the 3rd fret. So if we're playing with the C chord family, that's going to knock up this song to C sharp, D, D sharp, or E flat, same thing. And so even though we're playing in the C chord family, or we're using the C chord family chord shapes, we're going to be in the key of E flat. So we're going to be using the C chord, A minor 7, G, F over C, and D minor. Now it's important to realize that the only chord out of all of these that we're going to use all 6 strings is going to be the G chord. So when we play the G chord, you can strum all 6 strings, okay? Now for C, A minor, and F over C, we need to start our strumming on the A string and not play the low E string. Okay, so for C, A minor 7, and F over C. And then for the D minor chord, we need to start that chord on the D string, so we're not going to play the E or A string for the D minor chord. The strum pattern for this song is going to be the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums, and then we're going to add an up strum after beat 4, and then we're going to repeat that pattern. So right now I'm just going to hold the C chord, and I'm going to start my strumming on the A string, and I'm going to show you that strum pattern so you can hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. Something else that really helps the strum pattern sound a lot better is to strum harder on beat 1 and 3 and softer on 2 and 4. So basically every other beat you want to alternate hard and soft, hard and soft. And that's just a way to add dynamics to a strum pattern so it doesn't sound so boring and robotic. So here's the strum pattern without dynamics. That's strumming all the strings with the exact same intensity for every strum. So now I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to do it with adding the dynamics and alternating soft and hard strums in there. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.